Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Card Ladder Easy Guide. Start by clearing a smooth table and sorting cards by suit and value so you can visualize steps. Place 2 cards upright to form a stable A-frame and add cross pieces gently. Work methodically from the base upward and avoid sudden moves. If a section feels weak, rebuild that span before adding more height to ensure steady progress and fewer collapses. Begin constructing the base by creating several A-frames spaced evenly across your workspace, which gives a wide, balanced foundation and prevents toppling. Lean 2 cards gently together for each frame and ensure their tops meet cleanly. Add horizontal cards across pairs only when frames feel sturdy, which locks the row. Repeat these layers carefully, checking stability at each step to minimize resetting and keep the ladder straight. As you raise the ladder, build slowly and avoid rushing higher than your control allows, since balance is key. Reinforce any shaky segments by adding adjacent frames or shifting spacing to even out loads. Pay attention to slight leans and correct them immediately rather than proceeding, because small errors amplify with height. Practice will teach you how much pressure to apply and where to tighten connections so your ladder remains elegant and resilient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.